Okay, guys, this is lesson 49, and we are in phonics, and today is Wednesday. So our phonics lesson is about when a word has the letters L, E at the end, okay? And so at the end of that L, at the end of that word with an L-E, you're going to hear the L sound, like apple and paddle. And let's listen to bottle, griddle. You hearing that? So we're going to do a game real quick, just like we do in class. And I'm going to list out some words. And if you hear the O sound at the end of the words, you're going to give a thumbs up, okay? All right. So listen for the O sound at the end of the words. Cattle. There we go. Riddle. Clapping. I don't hear that there. Rat. No. Mitten. Muffle. Pan. No. Puzzle. Wiggle. And pebble. All right. So hope that you did those along with me. And we did those sounds with the words that end in L-E, okay? So what letters make the sound L that we just talked about? The L and the E together, okay? We're going to look at your workbook page for today. Let me grab it. I hope that you guys are doing well. I'm really missing you. And I can't wait to be back in class together next week. All right. So we're also going to tell about the words that, so this, at the very, very top of this word, it says write the letter L below each picture that begins with L. Write LL below each picture that ends with LL. Okay, so write the letter below each picture that begins with an L, and you're going to start with number 1. And what is that picture in number 1? That is a lamb. So does the word begin with an L or end with an LL? Give you a minute to think about that. Right, it begins with hear that, lamb. So that is going, you are going to write one L in this blank right here. Right there, you're going to write L. And then the next picture, I'm going to help you out with this one too. This one is shell. Do you hear an L at the beginning or do you hear 2 L's at the end? Take a minute, make a guess. All right, and if you have 2 L's and it goes, that would be at the end, then that is correct. So you're gonna write in that blank 2 L's. You're gonna do number 3 by yourself. Number 4 says underline the letters that make the L sound, that L sound. You are going to underline the letters that make the sound. Remember, if it ends in LE, you gotta do both of those letters because that E is silent and that's what makes it say L. All right, so the first one is paddle. So you're going to underline L and E. All right. Same thing, number 7, 8, and 9. You're going to write LE to complete each word. You can do that on your own. And then you are going to use letter R to write a new word in the word family. Remember, in a word family, they have the same ending sounds. So, and it's a different way of saying that it rhymes. So you have the word bubble. They want you to add an R to make a new word. So it would be bubble and rubble. Good job. All right, so I want you to finish up this page, underline the letters that make the L sound, and then draw a line from the words to the correct picture. And that is number 13, 14, and 15. If you have any questions with this, you can send me a message. You can ask your parents. You can listen to the video over again. I'm also attaching a video that has a fun little silly story about some apples. And it is also going to talk about that L-E sound at the end of a word. All right, we'll see y'all soon.